Hi everyone, Happy KO, and welcome to the official Happy KO NORD Stage 3 review after 3 years of owning this thing. I am Laurence, and I'll be the one doing the review today. Drew here is behind the camera. So after owning this thing for 3 years, I can safely say that this is a wonderful instrument and has lots of wonderful features that make it a very wonderful instrument. It's got an organ section, a piano section, and a... Sorry if it cuts out in a second, it's going to show an ad. So this is an ad that is sponsoring us, so enjoy the ad when it comes on.
This is an advertisement for the NORD Stage 3 keyboard. This keyboard has 76 semi-weighted keys and is perfect for your musical needs. This workstation comes with all the things you need to make music. Enjoy the NORD Stage 3 keyboard from Clavia.
Okay, so the ad probably happened by now. I don't know if YouTube put the ad in the video or not. YouTube's kind of weird about that. I don't know what they advertised either, but hopefully it was something good. Hopefully you enjoyed the ad. So anyway, back to the overview of the NORD Stage 3. Synth section. Let me give you an example. Switch on the organ and play a chord. That's the organ. Piano. And a synth section. You're welcome to put any effects you want on any of these sections. The effects panel is over here on this side. So for instance, I can put delay on the organ. Or I can put flanger on the piano. Oops, not delay. A lot of lovely warm tones coming out of this thing. The idiots that do these reviews say shit like that. Yeah, a lot of lovely warm tones coming out of this thing. If you want to have 3 sounds all at once, you can switch on the organ section, piano section, and synthesizer section. You'll have all 3 of them combined. So you can get really rich tones out of that. And if you want to, you can have an entire second panel of 3 more sounds if you want. So you can have a total of 6 sounds coming out. Let's change the organ a little bit on this panel. Let's change the piano to a different piano, and then let's change the synth to another synth as well. So we'll have 6 sounds coming, and let's put an effect on there as well. Let's put that on the synthesizer there. And then you push A and B together, so you have all 6. Wonderful, rich tones, and incredibly versatile instrument. One of my biggest gripes with the NORD Stage 3 was that it didn't have polyphonic glide. But I'll put a link to another video where we explain how you can get polyphonic glide out of your NORD Stage 3 at no extra cost. You don't have to buy any other gear. It's just a simple workaround. So click the link that I'll put right here, as long as Drew remembers to put that link in the video when he edits it. Okay? And then I'll also put it in the description. In case he forgets to edit that in there. So the link will also be in the description of how to do that. The other thing it didn't have was a vocoder. I was hoping this would have a vocoder. In other words, plugging a microphone in and then making my voice have different sounds to it. But one thing you probably can do is load up a vocal sample. So you switch on your synthesizer section. You go to sample. You can upload samples onto here, violin. You can record a sample of your vocals and load it onto the NORD Stage 3 using their included software with your purchase. So for example, I could sing something like, "You are," and then for example, I could record a sample of my voice, something like, oh, I don't know, "You are," and then you can load that, and then you can load that into the NORD, and then it'll play it. You are, like that when you press on the notes, and then you can change the attack and release and you can put effects on it. The one thing it won't do though is blend it with an oscillator. That's the nice thing about vocoding, is you can blend it with, well, maybe you can actually. You might be able to do that. You might be able to blend it with an oscillator. You know what? Screw this overview review video. I'm going to make a video on how you can turn this NORD Stage 3 into a vocoder. That's what I'm going to do. You can go ahead and find some other review online. They probably have a million of them. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned.